This house does not look like an ordinary house. It is like a red cave, a space to train, breathe, practice yoga, and then rest above the garden. This is the Red Cave, designed by 2305 Studio in Thảo, Điền, Saigon, Vietnam. The idea was to create a wellness space within the city, a place where exercise, relaxation, nature, and architecture could work together without completely separating interior and exterior. The conceptual reference comes from the ding, a traditional form of Vietnamese communal architecture. But here, this reference does not appear as a formal copy. It appears in the idea of gathering, of shelter, of common space, a place where bodily activities happen in direct relation to the garden, the light, and the climate. The house is organized in layers. First comes the garden, then the ground floor used for physical training, above it, the yoga level, and at the top, the terrace for resting, tea, and gathering. Each level changes the type of activity, and it also changes the atmosphere. On the ground floor, the space is more intense. This is where physical exercises take place. The support functions, such as the staircase and bathroom, are placed along the sides. This frees the center of the plan, creating a wide and flexible area for movement. This level is not fully interior, but it is not completely open either. A system of columns wraps around the space and creates a more ambiguous boundary between inside and outside. You perceive the garden while you train. The limit is not a rigid wall, it is a layer. The house does not try to be clear and open all the time. It uses shadow as part of the experience. This works well for the idea of introspection and rest, but it can also be a questionable point. For those expecting a very bright house, some spaces may feel too dark and theatrical. The red color also changes the experience. It does not appear as a detail, it dominates the atmosphere. It adds intensity. It creates the feeling of being inside a constructed cave. This makes the house very striking, but also quite specific. It is not a neutral environment. The mirrors are fundamental on this level. They do not only serve to visually expand the space, they multiply movement. They reflect the body, the vegetation, the structure, and they create an almost continuous sensation, as if the training extended through the space. Red, mirrors, shadow, and vegetation create a very strong atmosphere. For some people, this may feel heavy or theatrical, but this is also the identity of the project. It does not try to be discreet, it tries to create an experience. On the first floor, the energy changes. This level was designed for yoga. At first, the idea was to create a completely empty space, but the need for silence and enclosure led to a more flexible solution, a box made of wood and glass, able to open or close according to use. This yoga space works with retreat. The light is more controlled. The roof structure creates areas of shadow, and a circular terrazzo slab concentrates the lighting at one main point. The result is a slower environment, quieter, more suited to pause. One of the most interesting ideas of Red Cave is that the garden is not just landscaping, it participates in the sequence. You move through the vegetation, enter the training area, go up to yoga, reach the terrace. The house works almost like a vertical choreography. On the terrace, the atmosphere changes again. This level is lighter, more social. Here, there is a kitchen, a tea room, and a bedroom on the mezzanine. The view reaches the surrounding low houses, and in the distance, the Saigon River. The terrace does not work only as a roof. It becomes a final habitable garden, a place for gathering, resting, and contemplation. After the intensity of the ground floor and the silence of the yoga space, the top of the house opens another relationship with air, landscape, and time. The strength of the design is in this clarity of uses. Below, physical effort. In the middle, concentration. Above, rest. The architecture organizes the body into different states: movement, breathing, pause, gathering. Red Cave has around 360 square meters and was completed in 2019. It is a house less connected to the traditional idea of living and more connected to the way the body occupies space. A ground floor for training, a level for yoga, a terrace for resting, and a tropical garden stitching everything together. A red cave within the city, where architecture, nature, reflection, shadow, and movement create an experience difficult to mistake for any ordinary house.
Song